Lahat tayo kung tatanungin mo ay ang sagot natin pare-pareho. We all want financial freedom. Pero ang matindi, less than 1% actually ever get there. Why? Because we treat financial freedom as if it's one single finish line. Hindi siya ganun actually eh. It's a climb. And there are three stages for me, in my opinion. Stage 1, financial confidence. Ito yung time na alam mong kahit may dagok sa buhay, mawalan ka ng trabaho, lumipat ng city, have another baby, you land on your feet. May tibay ka, di ba? Stage 2, financial security. Ito naman yung may buffer ka, may savings ka, may emergency fund ka. You can take a step back, alagaan mo ang pamilya mo, or harapin ng biglang gastos without your whole life collapsing. And lastly, stage 3, financial freedom. Ito yung tunay na independence. Assets paying your lifestyle, wala ka nang kailangang i-trade off na oras para lang mabuhay. Pero ito yung catch. Karamihan, we stall out at stage 1 and 2 only. They taste a little confidence or security and mistake it for freedom. Kaya nauulit lang ang cycle, balik sa grind, balik sa trading time for money. Kaya less than 1% ever make it to stage 3. And that is also a reminder for me. The lesson that we can learn from here, let us not settle for confidence. Don't stop at security. Let's keep climbing hanggang makarating tayo sa totoong freedom. Yung point where the money works harder than you do.